and downs. Ups, I would say, I like how like the bus stop is right outside and it's the first stop of the uni bus, so you'll get on first and it's not always packed. I like how it's like next to Co-op, which is like opposite, and also Asda. It's a good distance from the town. Yeah, it's the right distance. And the beach and stuff like that. And the uni, you know, it's not that bad. It's like, even though it's the first stop and that's the last stop, it's still calm.
Downs.
Downs.
So you have to think that's pretty good. Not many downs?
There's not that many. Oh, actually, I would say I don't really like how it's only for first years.
Okay.
So yeah, when it came to picking like where I was going to stay for second year, yeah, I was considering Dorchester, but then I kind of wanted to like move out to other places. But I feel like it would have been good if it was maybe all 3 years, or maybe if not, just second year. Because I feel like it's a calm place to stay, isn't it?
That's for your first semester, for the first year?
Because yeah, it should be like second and third, because maybe people might want to stay here. And that's good business, they can make more money.
So,
and also, wait, and the common area. The common area.
You think it's good or bad?
I feel like it's good, the common space, but I feel like it could be much bigger. Because I've been to other halls.
Like?
They have, like, what's that place? Oxford Point?
Oxford Point, Bailey Point.
Bailey Point or Oxford Point. One of those is like really
One's
big.
at the corner, one's on the road.
What's the one with like the rooftop?
All of them. There's Skyline.
No, not that one.
There's Oxford Point, there's
No,
Bailey Point.
I don't know.
I think you're talking about Bailey Point though.
Probably is Bailey Point.
Bailey
It's
Point.
one of those. And also Home Park, theirs is really nice as well.
So